You see the ceiling, you see the sky. You measure your footsteps, you're learning to fly. The silence can be heavy, can be colder than stone when you stand at the edge of your dreams and you're standing alone. You whisper your vision, but their ears are closed tight. They call it a delusion. They fear your inner light. They tell you to be realistic, to follow the well-worn track. But that track leads back to places you swore you'd never go back. This is the moment, the fire in the crucible you forged, when your own belief must be the fuel that is gushed. Stay locked in, keep your heart close to the screen. For later, I'll reveal the one crucial question that cuts through the noise and makes your decision and conviction clean. If you've ever felt that sting of doubt, that isolating fear, hit that subscribe button now. Let's build an army of belief right there. See, the approval you seek is a temporary fading drug. It feeds the ego, gives a conditional hug. But what happens when the applause dies? When the crowd walks away? Your foundation must be deeper than what others have to say. The people who doubt you are simply projecting their fear, their own ceilings, their limits, the caution they hold there. Their disbelief is a mirror reflecting their unattempted flight. It has nothing to do with your power, your drive, or your rights. So let them talk, let them judge, let them whisper their scorn. Their words are just wind against the seed of greatness you're born. If you understand the external validation is a fickle, frail thing, go ahead and give this video a like. Let the truth finally sink. Your task now is simple, yet fiercely profound. To become your own witness on holy, solid ground, you don't need a pep rally. You don't need their fanfare. You need a quiet daily discipline, a relentless self-care. Show up when you're tired, when the results are slow, when the effort feels wasted and the seeds refuse to grow. Every lonely hour spent working, every setback that you meet is a secret investment making your future victory sweet. That internal nod, that whispered well done at the end of the day is the only currency that matters. Come what may. There's someone fighting that battle right now in quiet retreat, trying to keep their promise, battling doubt on their streets. Please share this truth right now. Let them know they're not alone in their fate. And let this lead us to the crucial question, the mental tool I used to silence the critics and banish the doubts bruise. It cuts through the I can't and the you shouldn't, clear as the sky. The question is simple. Who is the conviction for? Is it for me? It forces the ownership. It returns the power you gave away. It reminds you this journey is yours every single day. It's not for your parents, your friend, or the scrolling feed you view. It is for the person you know you're destined to break through. The self-dedication is the highest form of respect you can give. The only compass you need, the reason you continue to live. What's the dream everyone doubts that you are still fighting? Leave a comment below. Let us honor the conviction at your core. So let them not believe, let them keep their skepticism strong. It's not their story, it's yours, where you truly belong. Keep your head down, keep your hands busy, keep your vision in sight, because the day your success arrives, blinding and bright, they won't remember their doubts, they'll just marvel at the view, oblivious to the lonely battles that were won by you. To make sure you catch my deep dive into how to build unshakable self-trust, make sure you turn on that post notification so you can notify when next I upload. That knowledge is a must. And for the practical guide on turning conviction into daily action, sharp and clean, watch the end screen as well, where I've linked a piece on building an unshakable routine. Take care, guys.